Yeah, so this is a little embarrassing. I don't know how I let the car get this bad, and honestly, the channel too. So today, I'm gonna clean up both. I'm gonna wash a Tesla and then share some updates about the future of this channel. All right, let's get into it. All right, the easy part was pretty much done. Washing the floor mats first so they can dry as I clean the interior and the exterior. I'm gonna get inside, it's a bit windy out here. First off, somehow this channel hit 4,000 subscribers. So I wanna give a big thanks to each one of you for supporting this channel throughout all this time, even though I have not been posting consistently. And that goes to show how much I owe all of you an update on where this channel is going. But before I get into what's next, I'm going to clean the interior. It is so gross. Okay, it is time to say goodbye to the wood vinyl. All right, so what's next? I've been thinking about this a lot, and I think the main goal for this channel is to really focus on creating outdoor content with the Tesla. And that includes car camping, road trips. I think it'd be interesting to still sprinkle in some videos that are focused on the experience of owning a Tesla. Mainly, I really want to focus on outdoor activities with a Tesla. I love EVs and I really just want to show possibilities with an EV. But with that, the big thing is I don't want to overthink it or overcomplicate it. I just want to make fun stuff again. Hopefully you guys will look forward to see that, as well as feel free to drop any ideas in the comments. I really like reading all your comments, good or bad. I also try my best to reply back to you all, so feel free to drop any ideas. With that, I'm going to finish wiping down the rest of the car and then start working on the exterior. So let's talk about consistency. We all know that's my biggest struggle for this channel. I want to be as transparent and as realistic as possible. So the goal now is to post at least once a month. I think eventually if I get into a groove, maybe post more than once a month. But for now, once a month is a pretty achievable goal. So you might have noticed something a little different. We got a new logo, not a massive change, just a little refresh. It feels like the right time, you know? Okay, car's clean, channel's back, feels good. If you're down for the ride, subscribe, no pressure. I'm excited to hopefully create some fun content for y'all. And so with that, I'll see you soon. Hopefully. See ya.